I don't have a catch for what this is, but it's burger month, so stay tuned. I have no clue what's about to happen. It's burger month, and we're going over the top with the most barbecue-y, southern crazy thing I can kind of think of with the accessibility of what I have on hand. And we're gonna do like a double smash patty, but they're huge. They're like 6 something ounces each. We're gonna do smoked cheddar cheese that we cold smoked, a bunch of Texas brisket just pulling off the grill, and Carolina style barbecue sauce that we've been basting all night for 16 hours in Carolina red. And we're gonna top it with fried alligator from Florida and a coleslaw with grilled pineapple in it, and then hit it with some Alabama white. Burger time. They're almost done. We're gonna add a little bit of barbecue sauce to the bottom bun, some Alabama white. Here's our Carolina style pulled pork. We're gonna finish shredding it and put some Q on it in a second. Pulled this off earlier, did a little taste test, left it to slice. Here we are. We're gonna slice them off. Look at that, baby. Fast chopped brisket. Let's shred some of this. Oh, look at that bark from basting it all night in that vinegar Q. I don't think we need to shred all of it. I think that's just a good, let's add some more of that Carolina red to it. Yes, look at that.
Dude, this is so ridiculous.
It's so ridiculous. Handful of that, right? Maybe we'll move it down. We'll get a little bit more for this one. There it is. Next, got to do the coleslaw, right?
Yeah.
You do the gator, and then the coleslaw, the gator gets soggy. Do the coleslaw. Okay, this is our grilled pineapple coleslaw. Look at these lovely chunks of grilled pineapple just kind of in there. We're gonna take some of that and put it on top. It's the only way to go. If you have barbecue, put barbecue on top of your pulled pork. And I think the only option after that, the alligator. And then, obviously, you have Alabama white again. Just like this. You need to provide a little bit of moisture to your barbecue sandwich. Top bun. And then obviously, you probably need a toothpick to hold it together. And then, that's a burger month barbecue burger. You have to cross-section it, right? Is it yep, that goes, you just use the steak knife to...
How do you even think about eating that?
We're about to figure it out right now. Whoa. That was a bite. Oh. Hashtag burger month. And if you never see me again, heart attack. And I'm okay with that. If you guys want any of the recipes of how we made the grilled pineapple coleslaw, the Carolina red or the Carolina pulled pork, Texas brisket, white barbecue sauce, you want any of those recipes, check out the links in the description below. And eat hearty, my friends. Oh.